Hola, fellow travelers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking you on an exciting journey through the hidden gems of Cartagena, Colombia. While most tourists flock to the stunning walled city and other popular spots, we're here to share 3 lesser-known stories that will make your visit to this enchanting city even more unforgettable. But before we get into revealing the hidden wonders of Cartagena, make sure you like this video by hitting the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel, Unseen Wonders and Lesser Legends. Your support allows us to discover more stories unavailable to the average travel enthusiast and to highlight what we don't see while we are visiting places. Now back to Cartagena. Let's start our journey with the first hidden gem, the vibrant neighborhood of Getsemaní. Located just outside the walled city, this artistic hub is a feast for the eyes. Here, you'll find a kaleidoscope of murals and street art, each telling its unique story. Getsemaní offers a glimpse into the local culture, with bustling markets, live music, and a sense of community that's truly heartwarming. It's an incredible place to immerse yourself in the artistic soul of Cartagena. Now, let's venture to Bazurto Market, a bustling and authentic market where locals gather to shop for fresh produce and unique ingredients. This place is a hidden treasure trove for foodies. Dive into a culinary adventure, savoring exotic fruits, sampling local dishes, and learning the secrets of Colombian cuisine. It's a sensory overload you won't want to miss. Our final stop is La Popa Monastery, a sanctuary nestled on a hill that provides not only panoramic views of Cartagena, but also a serene escape from the city's hustle and bustle. This historical gem dates back to the 17th century and offers a peaceful atmosphere, stunning architecture, and a glimpse into the city's spiritual history. It's a serene and often overlooked place for contemplation and reflection. There you have it, 3 hidden stories that will enrich your Cartagena experience. From the artistic heart of Getsemaní to the culinary delights of Bazurto Market and the serenity of La Popa Monastery, this city has so much more to offer than its famous attractions. So the next time you plan a visit to Cartagena, don't forget to explore these hidden treasures and make unforgettable memories. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel adventures. Leave a comment letting us know where would you want us to unearth hidden gems. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, safe and happy travels.